Is this on? Because it's going to be weird, okay? This is a Rubik's Cube. Have you seen it? Okay, go over there, go over there. That is Bob G. And this is a Rubik's Cube that is totally all messed up. I mean, nobody in the world could stick it. So we're going to videotape Bob G. Hey, fixing it, okay? Ready, set, go. We'll have to lay down some music and stuff, you know? Like,
got you. Don't worry. I'm the best editor you'll find.
That's what I thought. Look at him. He doesn't even seem phased.
I'm sorry, what?
Look at him. It doesn't even bother him. Are you seeing this?
I need to get a new one of these.
The pressure's on. In this we could do fast motion. So he's like, you see him? He thought there for a second, dude. That was freaky, man. I felt it. He was thinking for just a second. But now he's not even looking. He's looking over here because we have a naked girl up. No, I'm kidding. Bam! He did it! Come on now. Is that freaky or what? Awesome, dude. Cut!